Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can crop your display screen in OBS. So when you're screen recording, you can crop certain things out so you don't have to show the whole screen. So for example, in my screen, I've got Lightroom open, but I would like to crop out the date at the bottom here and the time, and I've got my apps here. I just think they're distracting and no one wants to see that. So a quick way of cropping the screen is to hold down the Alt key, and then you can drag over there. So you can drag the screen up and crop that little section there, or you can go all the way up if you want to. Say if you want to crop out those images and just record that section. So yeah, you can do it like that. So it is really simple. So I'm going to put it back. Now there is another way you can do it, and I will show you that now. So that was the really quick way, but you can also go to your source, right click on that, you should see filters come up, click that, then you need to go down to the little plus sign and you will see crop/pad, click that. You can name it, but I'm just going to keep it as that. Press OK, and now you can alter the value. So I want the bottom to be going up like that, so I can hide the date. And what you're going to do is just increase the value. Now I'm doing it very slowly here, but you can see it is cropping the bottom for me. Okay, and then once you're happy with where the value is and how your screen looks, just press close and you will see it has applied the crop to your image or your screen. So that's a very quick tutorial for you, but I hope it helps you out. So yeah, there we go. Thanks very much.